Today I have for you this handheld fan by Aoya. And let me tell you, this thing packs a lot of power. So in the box, I do want to point out that this comes in different colors. But inside the box, you're going to get a little brochure for the fan. You will get the fan itself with a lanyard. This lanyard does have this really cool clipping feature here, so you don't have to take the lanyard all the way off. But let's just go ahead and show you. So you can have it around your neck. You press and hold the button to turn it on, and this is rechargeable too. But this is on the lowest setting. So it's really powerful. It feels so cooling and good. And it's just nice not to have to actually So I love that you've got the lanyard so you can just hang it on you and then easily pick it up to just cool yourself off. And this is really quite cool. So love it. Highly recommend the fan by Aoya. Goes back to low. 2, 3, 4, 5 speeds. You're going to love it.